Redis is best known as a cache, and for good reason. In this video you will learn exactly how caching works, what commands to use, and what to watch for when reviewing code that uses it. A cache sits in front of a slow data source. The first request does the hard work and saves the result in Redis. Every request after that is served from memory in under a millisecond. On every request, you first run get. A hit returns immediately. On a miss, you fetch the real data, then store it with set, and an ex expiry in a single command, never as two separate steps. Watch what happens step by step. Set with ex stores the value and starts the countdown. TTL shows how many seconds remain. When the key expires, the next get returns nil, a cache miss, and the cycle starts again. When reviewing a pull request, look for three things: a missing expiry, a set followed by a separate expire call, and code that writes to the cache but never reads from it. Any of these is a bug worth blocking. 3 rules. Always set a TTL, use seat with ex, so the expiry can never be lost in a race, and read before you write. Get those right, and caching is both fast and correct.